Komposita, compound words in German. Komposita are compound words formed by combining two or more words. These combinations follow specific rules and are commonly used in German. 1. What is Komposita? Komposita refers to the formation of a new word by combining two or more words. The meaning of the new word is derived from its components. 2. Rules for forming Komposita. Gender rule. The gender of the last word determines the gender of the entire compound word. Intermediary letters. Sometimes, an S or N is added between the words for better pronunciation. Omission of letters. Occasionally, letters may be omitted when forming the compound. Noun rule. If a noun is combined with a word from another category, the new word remains a noun. Not limited to nouns. Komposita can be formed by combining words from different word categories. Exemples auf Komposita-Formation. Der Kaffee und das Haus, das Kaffeehaus. Die Familie und der Name, der Familienname. Intermediary letters in Komposita. Some compound words require an extra S or N between them for phonetic clarity. Die Blume plus das Bett, das Blumenbett, flower bed. Die Sonne plus das Licht, das Sonnenlicht, sunlight. Komposita beyond nouns. Komposita are not restricted to nouns. They can involve adjectives, verbs, or prepositions. Verb plus noun, schreiben, to write, plus der Tisch, der Schreibtisch, desk. Adjective plus noun, hochhai, plus das Haus, das Hochhaus, skyscraper. Preposition plus noun, under, plus die Hose, die Unterhose, underwear.